Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate users in Django with django-allauth for clean UI, complete guide step by step clearly. Install Django in django-allauth using pip. Create a new Django project if you haven't already. Navigate into your project directory. Install django-allauth with the command pip install django-allauth. Add django.contribution sites to your installed _apps in settings.py. Add allauth.account, and allauth.social account to your installed _apps in settings.py. Set the site _ID to 1 in your settings.py file. Configure your authentication backends in settings.py by adding the following. Include django.contribution auth.backends.model backend. Add allauth.account.auth_backends.authentication backend. Set up the URL routing by including the allauth URLs in your project's urls.py file. Import include from django.urls. Add the path for accounts / using path, accounts / include, allauth.urls. Update the templates directory path in settings.py if needed. Create a new template directory for your authentication views. Make sure to create the required HTML files for login, sign up, and password reset. Customize the HTML files for a clean user interface using CSS and JavaScript. Set the login_redirect URL to your desired page in settings.py. Configure the account _email verification setting to optional or mandatory based on your requirements. Enable email backends for sending verification emails in settings.py. Install and configure any email delivery service if necessary. Run migrations with the command python manage.py migrate to set up allauth models. Create a super user with the command python manage.py create superuser to manage the admin interface. Start your Django development server using python manage.py run server. Visit the admin interface at http://127.0.0.1:8000/admin/. Check and configure your email settings if you plan to enable email verifications. Test the authentication flow by navigating to the sign-up and login pages. Ensure that all views render correctly and that the UI is clean and user-friendly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.